Shiba Inus are in an extremely bad spot nowadays. The value of Shiba Inus is plummeting. Fear has spread among investors. Can we expect this downturn to end? It seems like we will be able to see it very soon. Shiba Inus were recently the recipients of a huge bombshell from the United States government. This factor alone may be enough to stem the price decline, possibly aiming for a previous record high. Tell me what's going on. And I don't even know what I'm talking about. Allow me to clarify. Important notice. How has this happened? Just 2 days ago, the price was climbing, giving everyone cause for celebration. However, in the past 24 hours, it has plummeted. This isn't a little decline, it's a major one. Of course, Shiba Inus have fallen before, but that one hurts. There was truth to the hubbub. We felt like we were back on track for a time. After days of watching the price struggle and ultimately make a recovery, however, in an instant, all of it fell apart once more. A sense of anticipation, a goal. It was all gone in a flash. Particularly for the loyal Shiba Inu supporters who believed we had finally passed the test. It appeared to be a watershed event, but then the market completely flipped the script. What then transpired just now? And the thing is, one expert has just raised the red flag due to this irrational price fluctuation. Shiba Inu could be in danger. Where is the issue? Things can get dicey if it continues to lose ground at critical support levels. Compared to earlier, the current price of a Shiba Inu is lower, and after falling during the past day, there's a good probability it could fall by another 0 today. It's quite significant. Meme coin recently attempted to reverse its declining trend. However, it was met with strong resistance instead of support. After falling precipitously in response to that rejection, the pressure to sell has only increased as investors lose hope for a speedy rebound. Shiba Inu risks plunging to an unsavory psychological low if it fails to maintain a level above its present support. Additionally, if that were to occur, it would likely further undermine investor confidence, leading to a precipitous decline in price. However, optimism persists. Finding a sturdy area to settle into will give the Shiba Inu a time to regroup before trying to climb back up again. The most ideal situation? A strong rebound that resumes the bullish trend for Shiba Inu and causes the price to rise above its previous highs. However, at this moment, things aren't looking well. There is increasing demand to sell. If the bulls don't come in to support important levels, Shiba Inu could continue to fall. Another 0 would send the market into a tailspin. Therefore, you may be asking, what the fuck is going on? What caused the Shiba Inu to abruptly die? To get a better perspective, let's step back and examine the larger image. Bitcoin, it turns out, is engaging in the same activity. Today, it sent shockwaves through the market when it dropped below the significant 800.00 mark, shocking everyone. Just in the last 24 hours, liquidations wiped out about $1 billion. Bitcoin also couldn't withstand the selling push. We haven't seen these prices since late 2024, when it went past its crucial support. This decline isn't a minor setback either. This is a little setback that might lead to Bitcoin falling much more before the market stabilizes. Crypto whales have been active recently, moving huge quantities of Bitcoin, adding to the mayhem. After only 96 hours, more than 40,000 Bitcoin changed hands, according to one analyst. Wow, that's a lot of money. Additionally, when things are this dramatic, it's generally because something is cooking behind the scenes. At the same time, according to another analyst, Bitcoin might go through a protracted consolidation phase with further dips possible before settling into a new range between 7,5,000 and 1,00000, similar to what happened earlier this year. Additionally, the entire cryptocurrency market is affected whenever Bitcoin has problems. Included in this broader upheaval, for the time being at least, everything could take a tumble if Bitcoin continues its downward spiral. And why is this happening? The one and only Donald Trump, and yes, tariffs once again. Following Trump's reiteration of his plans to impose steep tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada in the coming days, investors are in a state of complete panic. The market was rocked by this news, which led to a severe sell-off. The value of Bitcoin plummeted, falling by almost 8% and hitting a level not seen since November of last year. When Bitcoin crashes like that, the entire cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu, crashes well. Everyone is on edge right now. The market is being driven by fear, and investors are quickly pulling back due to the uncertainty. Amid mounting anxiety over the potential effects of these tariffs on the economy, the price of Bitcoin has dropped precipitously, and this isn't an accident. Additional volatility may be on the horizon in the days ahead if current trends persist. However, to look on the positive side, there is still cause for celebration. Shiba Inu owners should be ecstatic about the bombshell that the SEC released earlier today. Contrary to popular belief, Shiba Inu and other meme coins are not securities, according to the US SEC's Division of Corporation Finance. I am blown away. The SEC made it plain in a statement they issued yesterday that federal securities rules do not apply to meme coins. On the contrary, their speculative nature is leading to their categorization as collectibles. These tokens aren't really investments, but rather cultural trends, online memes, and community engagement, says the SEC. Put simply, individuals purchase things for enjoyment, not with the expectation of a guaranteed return on investment from a firm or business. Additionally, transactions involving Shiba Inu do not require registration as it is not deemed a security. U.S. securities laws are unnecessary, which gets rid of a major regulatory obstacle that would have become problematic later on. However, there is a minor snag. The SEC was careful to note that this in no way implies that meme coins are risk-free. They may still be subject to action from other authorities in the event that evidence of fraud emerges. Whatever the case may be, Shiba Inu and the meme coin industry may celebrate a huge victory. This may appear to be no big deal for Shiba Inus at first look, but bear with me. Why though? Freedom. And that's a huge deal for the cryptocurrency community. As we have all witnessed, things may quickly spiral out of control when cryptocurrency is mired in rules. Everything comes to a halt when governments intervene and begin to tighten regulations. The result can be the total derailment of some initiatives. Some cryptocurrencies never achieve their full potential, and regulations are a major reason why. Just the prospect of legal jeopardy sends investors reeling, and the uncertainty itself causes prices to plummet. The PSIs plummet. This, however, is the rub. None of that is relevant because Shiba Inus are not securities. No stumbling blocks, no ongoing legal hassles, just unfettered expansion. More importantly for the developers, this is huge. They can cut to the chase, release updates, and expand Shiba Inu's ecology without becoming bogged down by bureaucracy or legal wrangling. It also means there will be more opportunities to innovate, improve, and make Shiba Inu even stronger. As far as cryptocurrency is concerned, one thing is certain: interest grows as a project continues to make improvements. The price goes up as the excitement goes up. The value of Shiba Inus may skyrocket, perhaps reaching new records if this sort of event were to happen. This will allow the project to expand, include new utilities, and establish itself as a dominant player in the area. Not only may the team's moves here lead to a price recovery, but they could also trigger a breakout if they play their cards well. Despite how insignificant it may appear at the moment, this may prove to be a watershed moment in Shiba Inu history. By the way, we are currently witnessing a breakthrough in this area. An enormous update to both Ethereum and Shiba Inu has recently occurred, which may help stem the price decline of Shiba Inu. Ethereum is getting ready to release a big update that might revolutionize the way transactions are processed. Pectra, the upcoming upgrade, will introduce several wallets and general scalability in early 2025. It becomes intriguing though at this point. With this update, users may be able to utilize Shiba Inu and other tokens to pay for gas fees. Stablecoins will be the primary target of this feature initially. There is, however, mounting speculation that the Ethereum development team may include support for more tokens, such as those belonging to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as Bone, Treat, and Shiba Inu itself. This whole thing might change